Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create a wooden sofa using Creo parametric. So let's get started. So first of all, let me open the path. Okay, so I have done this part previously on our live session itself. So this is the part. Let me just go for the shading with reflections. So yeah. So now let me just explain it by the step by step. Okay, so the first step is I have created two rectangular portions with a height of 535 with a width of 65. Okay, so the distance of 750. Okay, so it is equally spaced as splitted here. Okay, so then let's extrude that to a length of 65. It will be a symmetric extrude. Sorry, it will be a blind extrude. Okay, so the next one is some couple of rounds on this corner edge with a round value of 65 and 65 each. And then the next sketch is on this face. So here the sketch face, here it will be a rectangle with a height of 70 with the width of 35, and here the space is 15 and it will be 15 on the other side. Okay, so the height is 205 from the center line. So now we have to extrude that up to the next surface here. Okay, use the next surface option, or else you can select the extrude up to the next surface. So you can select that and you can select this surface. Okay, so the next thing is, let me just turn on the planes. So here I have created a new plane for mirror this part towards the opposite. So the first here is I have done a plane by using a reference of the front plane. Okay, so the front plane length is distance is 280. So after that I have mirrored this column here. You can see, I have mirrored everything on the other side, or else if you have time you can also repeat that one more time. Okay, so the next sketch for connecting these two parts. Okay, so here the dimension it will be same 70 35 and the distance it will be 15 as usual, and the height is 205. So we are going to repeat the same the frame on this both sides. Okay, so then mirror that, extrude that and then mirror that on the other side. Okay, so now our next sketch it will be on the top face. So select this top face and go for the sketch. So here we have to draw a rectangle on this reference. Here you can see, so the height is 115 and the length is 740, which is equally spaced with the length of 370 by using this center point. And here the zero reference is nothing but this rectangle is fully placed on this previous thing, right? So after that, let's extrude that. So the extrude height is 20 from the face. Okay, so then round on both edges, so that will be 50, and then we have to mirror everything on the other side. Good, right? So the next thing here is for creating a sponge. So I just have used this surface for the sketch. So select this frame surface and then go for the sketch. So here from this corner of the surface you can draw the rectangle. So here it will be on the mid face here. Okay, so anyway this will be 35, I think so. Let me just verify the length. Yeah, this is 35. So this line should be placed at the mid, right? So 35 divided by 2, it's like 17.5. Okay, so from the mid here we have a distance of 10. Up to that our rectangle should be drawn. Okay, so then let's extrude that rectangle. So that rectangle height will be 110. Okay, so then I'm just going to use the round tool for rounding this particular edge. So this is our front side, so I'm going to round first the front side. This will be 20 on top and bottom. So the next sketch, oops, sorry, I forgot to delete the reference. Wait. So this is our round. What is our sketch? Okay, so this is easy, right? Why it is asking for a section has several dependent features, so adding or deleting reference is not allowed. Okay, let me just tell yourself. Okay, so here let me just check where I have started my sketch. Yeah, so in this phase I have started my sketch. Okay, so here I have drawn a rectangle with a height of 70, like the same frame, this also 70. So from this face it will be 70. Okay, so now we have to extrude that. So the extrude length, it will be yeah, it will be the same. Okay, so we have to use the same width of the below arm. Okay, so this will be 35. Yeah, this will be 35 into 70. Yeah, that's right. So 35 into 70, you have to draw this rectangle where I have left this one, and here, yeah, the next sketch. So on the same face, so for connecting these two parts, I have done a rectangular portion here. So that will be a height of 270 and with a width of 20 and with a distance of 155. So same on the other side. Okay, so now we have to extrude that. So the extrude length, it will be 25, but 25 on one side, on the side 2 it will be up to this flat surface. Okay, so the next one is round. So here you can see all these 4 edges, 20 20 20 20. Okay, so then the next round is for this vertical surface. So this will be 10 for both the surface. You can see the highlighted green color here, right? So the next sketch is for creating a connecting rod for this. So select this surface, go for the sketch. Okay, so here you can see I have drawn a circle with a diameter of 20 and with the distance height of 63.33. It's nothing but I have divided the distance of 190 divided by 3, right? So this distance is 30, you can see here. So this height has same value of 63.33. Okay, good. So yep, and we have to extrude that up to the next surface of this. Yeah, so this up to the surface. So I think we have done everything. So we have to mirror it on the other side. You can see everything we have mirrored, and yeah, so here I'm just adding a rounded value here for this corner edge. You can see here the corner. So full round feature of a value 10. Okay, so the next sketch is sorry, so next sketch is for the backside sponge. So for that I've used the front plane, sorry, the right plane for the sketch. So go for the sketch. So here I have drawn a line from this corner of this particular sponge. So from that I have drawn a line with a height of 850 from the bottom of this part and with an angle of 80 on this horizontal line. Okay, so here the rectangular width is 110 and height, as you know, it will be the same height as of 850, right? So we don't want to have this height because that's fine, or else you can use the slanted rectangle, because go for the slanted. Once you can see like this and you can draw like this, so after that also you can able to manage the value of 80 and the dimension anything from here, it will be easy. So 850, so like that you have to create. Okay, and then width you can directly add a value of 110 here. Good. So this is how you have to do that. And the next thing is, let's extrude that. So both sides, or you can use the both side as a two selected surface. So anyway we have to extrude up to the previous sponge. So the next one is round. So round on the top, 30 30. So the next one is a sketch where I have done. So for the bottom legs position, I have created a like how can I say this bush feature. So height of 32.5. Here we have a diameter of 26, and I have to extrude that. So let's see the extrude length. It will be 10. So I have to mirror that for all the 4 sides. So one I have mirrored here. So the next mirror is these two. Okay, so the next sketch here is what I have done is, yeah, so once you create both part, you can see it has been collided as a single part. So for creating a gap, I have used the same right plane, but here I have drawn a line up to this reference slanting line with the angle of 130. So I have used some remove material feature for creating this particular gap. Directly now draw a line and go for the solid and make it as a thickness and make the thickness as a 2. Okay, so make that as a remove material feature. Now you can see the top bottom is different, top and bottom is different, right? So that is why I have done that. So the next round is, I just have added a round feature for this edge and the top edge also, both it will be 50. So next one, the round is the side rounds, so it will be 20 on both the sides. Okay, so the next sketch is for the bottom frames. Okay, so for the supporting frames here I have done, you can see this face. So this will be somewhat different, so 40, 20 and with a spacing of 50 and with the distance of 80. Okay, so on the midplane do the same and do the mirror of this part. You can directly mirror that by using the center line. Okay, and extrude that up to the next surface here. Okay, so that's all. So the next thing here is that you will be you will see, definitely see the color. It looks like good, like exact clear color. So let's go for the scene. So here you can see it looks somewhat good, right? So here for the color, let me just go for the normal view. Yeah, this is a normal view. Okay, so for the color, so here I have used only two colors. So one is wood, it like wood mahogany solid polished. I forgot the name. So wood mahogany, yeah, polished, good. So this one is Misk fabric leather. Okay, it comes under Misk fabric. So here you can see this is the color. Okay, so either you can use this color or you can see the leather brown over here. You can also use this. Okay, so both are similar. Okay, so that's all guys. So thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay, so thank you guys. We will see the next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.